Here's how to make Instagram motivational videos. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to go to your Chrome browser. After that, in the search bar, search for thepexels.com. Here you will be able to get free stock videos. You can use these videos to create any content for your social media platforms. Now here you can use any stock footages to create your videos. Here I'm gonna search for the sunset natural videos. Now from here you have to select any video and then you have to download it. To download the video, click the video to open it. After that, click on the free download option and then click on the download selected size. Moving on to the next step, now you have to open your TikTok account. Here in your TikTok account, you have to simply search for the motivational sounds. Now select any of your desired video. Click on the video to open it. After that, click on the share option and then from here you have to simply click on the save video option. Now again go back to your Chrome browser. And here in the Chrome browser, you have to search for the motivational quotes. Now click on any website here. After that, from the website, you have to simply copy the quote that you want to add as a text onto your video. Moving on to the next step, now you have to open your CapCut app. After opening your CapCut app, now you have to import your recently downloaded media. After importing your media, you can edit your video. If you want to add any special effects, you can also do this on the CapCut. After editing your video, click on the audio option, then click on the extracted option. Now you have to upload the video that you downloaded from the TikTok. It will automatically extract the audio from that video. Then click on the add text option. Now you have to simply paste the copied code here. After that, you have to adjust your text. Then click on the preview option to preview your video. Now, if you need any further adjustments, you can also do that. If not, you can simply click on the export option to export the video. After exporting the video, now you have to simply go back to your Instagram account. Then here you have to post this reel. To post a reel, click on the plus icon at the bottom of this page. After clicking onto this option, now click on the reel option. Now select the desired video or the video that you have just created. Then click on the next option. Now click on the share option to share it as a reel. So that's how to make a motivational reel for Instagram.